In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the WooCommerce My Account page in WordPress. We'll go through the full process of creating a cleaner, more user-friendly account area for your customers, while still keeping all of the core WooCommerce account functions working properly. The goal here is not just to make the page look better, but also to make it easier for shoppers to find their orders, downloads, addresses, and account settings. To begin, open your WordPress dashboard. This is where you'll manage everything for your site, including WooCommerce and the page design tools used in this tutorial. Once you're inside the dashboard, install the account page customization tool used in the tutorial. Depending on the setup you're following, this may be a plugin or an extension that works with your page builder. After installing it, make sure it's activated so the account customization features are available. Next, open the WooCommerce My Account page. This is the page customers use after logging in, and it usually contains the default WooCommerce account menu and content. We're going to turn that standard layout into something more polished and easier to navigate. Now, create a custom account page layout. This gives you control over how the page is structured, instead of relying only on the default WooCommerce display. As you build the layout, add sections for dashboard, orders, downloads, addresses, and account details. These are the key areas customers expect to see, so keeping them clearly separated will help improve the overall user experience. After that, style the account navigation using your preferred page builder. This is where you can make the menu look more modern and aligned with the rest of your brand. Focus on spacing, colors, typography, and layout so the navigation is easy to scan and simple to use. Once the structure and navigation are in place, add icons, headings, and custom content. Icons can make each section more visually clear, while headings help organize the page. If needed, custom content can also guide customers with short instructions or welcome text. As you customize the design, make sure WooCommerce account endpoints still work. This is very important because even a beautiful layout won't be useful if customers can't access their actual account data. Test that each section still connects correctly to the WooCommerce content it's supposed to display. When everything looks right, save the design. Then sign in as a customer and test every account tab. Go through each area one by one to confirm that the layout is working, the links open the correct content, and the overall experience feels smooth from a customer's point of view. And that's it. You now have a custom WooCommerce My Account page that looks better, feels more professional, and still functions exactly as it should.